Okay, let's switch gears, turn our attention to First Alert Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen joining us live from the Virtual View studio. Quite the morning, but we actually see a little bit of sun peeking through the clouds.
It's been nice to get a break because last night, Paul, it got intense.
Yeah, it rained heavily for several consecutive hours. That's why we had some flooding issues, and that rain really did pile up. But nice to see some cracks in the cloud cover as we approach sunset here in the next few minutes. Nice view here from the Mark Hopkins Hotel looking to the east, the clouds in the distance illuminated by that setting sun. Let's add up some other rainfall totals. Showed you our floor map earlier with a lot of the rainfall totals displayed there, but I want to highlight some other communities, including Ben Lomond in the Santa Cruz Mountains, picking up over 7 inches of rain since the rain began on Friday. Kentfield in the North Bay picked up over 5 inches of rain. Other amounts were more modest, generally in the 1.5 to 2 inch range, but that's a fair amount of rain in a fairly short amount of time since the bulk of it did fall last night during about a 6 to 8 hour window. Enough rain in Sonoma County. There's still a flood warning in effect, mainly near the Mark West Creek. That goes until 10 o'clock this evening. The parts of the Sonoma County around Guerneville picked up anywhere from 5 to 7 inches of rain, so still some flooding concerns there, but things are quieting down. Another view outside from Salesforce Tower, this time looking to the east. Spotty showers still possible this evening. Partly cloudy skies take over tomorrow after some dense fog burns off in the morning. More rain moves in on Wednesday, and then we start trending drier for a longer stretch of time beginning on Thursday. A few showers left over this evening, moving through the North Bay and inland in the East Bay, moving out of the Santa Clara Valley as well. By 11 o'clock tonight, we should be completely done with the last of those leftover showers. We will see the cloud cover giving way to some locally dense fog by early tomorrow morning, but that should dissipate as we head towards mid to late morning for the most part. Then we get that mix of clouds and sunshine for the rest of the day. It looks like the rain is going to be here as the sun comes up on Wednesday. This is our next widespread rainmaker, so a complicated morning commute on Wednesday, but the rain should diminish in intensity as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Just some lingering showers by Wednesday afternoon and evening. Some more snow for the high Sierra, but this isn't going to be a significant snowmaker. And once the atmosphere dries out, we should stay dry Thursday into Friday and likely Saturday as well, but there is an outside chance for maybe a shower this weekend. 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of rain, the expectation on a widespread basis. It's not going to be nearly as significant as what came through the Bay Area last night. And again, farther down the line, the rain chances go close to zero, but not quite all the way there. About a 20% chance Friday night into Saturday. More significant rainmaker does look more likely by the time we get to the middle of next week. We'll keep an eye on that. In the Sierra, this is going to be a minor snow event. 2 to 4 inches of total accumulation. Snow level around 6,500 feet, which is still a significant elevation. So it doesn't look like any winter storm warnings are going to be needed. Maybe not even any winter weather advisories. Right now, looking to the west from Salesforce Tower, Treasure Island towards the Bay Bridge. Temperatures at the moment in the mid to upper 50s to around 60 degrees for most of us, although only 51 degrees right now in Santa Rosa. Those temperatures were pretty mild even during the duration of that rain event, and temperatures tonight only dropping down to a mix of 40s and low 50s. Let's take a look at how much we warm up through the day tomorrow, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice day overall, up to 63 degrees in San Jose. It's a few degrees above normal, otherwise low 60s throughout the Santa Clara Valley, mostly low 60s inland in the East Bay or Bayside in the East Bay, right at 60 degrees in Fremont, just above 60 degrees in Oakland, just below 60 in San Francisco. Temperatures for the North Bay, a mix of upper 50s and low 60s by tomorrow afternoon, but again, looking like a nice day overall. Enjoy the dry weather because, again, the rain chances do return to the forecast by Wednesday, but that one is not going to be heavy enough to lead to any significant issues. And then once Wednesday's rain moves out, we get into this long stretch of dry weather. Thursday continuing into Friday. Saturday, outside chance of a shower. If it happens, it looks like it'd be very light. And then the dry weather continues Sunday and Monday with even a bump to our temperatures. Most of the Bay Area up into the mid, maybe even upper 60s by the second half of the weekend and early next week.